Now we're draining the differential to recycle it, to take it back to the junkyard so they can recycle it. It's a 13 millimeter. The way the way I noticed my differential, it was bad. It was because it was making a humming noise. Every time I was pushing the pedal, the gas pedal, it was making a humming noise, and it was getting louder and louder and louder until I start checking things around, like the hot bearings, they are good. Checking the U-joints, good. Transmission, it was good. Shifting all the gears. So that's the way I start checking things around until I decide, to check on the differential, and this is the one that was making the humming noise. Like I say, it was getting louder and louder. So this one is the front differential. You can see right here the mount. It's only 3 points. 3 different parts where you mount it. 2 bolts right there. This mount and this mount. And then you have to remove those also. Same thing over here. But that's the way I figured out it was bad. So that one was on my O2 Escalade. It's a 6.0 all-wheel drive. So for you guys, if you guys have the same problem, it could be your differential, the front differential. Some people call the carrier, ring and pinion carrier. Some other people call IFS differential, independent front suspension. They call different names. I just call front differential. Is it 8.25, 8 1/4 ring. You can take like an hour to get it out, and maybe another hour to put it back in if you do it at home, with basic tools. But like you see right now, this one is drained. So this one I'm gonna return it to the junkyard so they can recycle it. They told me to drain the oil, make sure it's empty. Otherwise they can charge me like $25 if they have to do it to recycle it. So that's the way it is, guys. If you have a problem with your front differential, if it is humming and it's only when you push the gas, it's a very high chance that it's your front differential. That's the way I figured out, because every time I was pushing the gas is when I hear the humming. So I was thinking, yeah, it might be the front differential, and it was the front differential. So I already got a good one on my O2 Escalade. It's right there. So thank you guys for watching my videos. I hope this little video help you guys to fix your truck or SUV. So thank you. See you in the next video.